Welcome friends, so let me show you. Whenever you encounter a quadratic equation, imagine you have x squared is equal to 4. You can solve this by the quadratic formula. Just write x squared minus 4 is equal to 0. And then on top of it, you can write this as 1 times x squared and then plus 0x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this would be your a, this would be your b, stick it in there with 0, and this would be your c. Then you plug into the quadratic formula, you see? Do another one. Imagine it says 2x squared is equal to 5. Again, you could use the quadratic formula if you were to just basically learn only one way of solving a quadratic equation. You'd have 2x squared minus 5 is equal to 0. Then this would give you 2x squared plus 0x minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this is your a, this is your b, and this is your c. You identify the values, plug them into the quadratic formulas. Imagine even if it said x minus 1 squared is equal to 6. Not to say that you should do it this way, but you could use the quadratic formula. First of all, this is x minus 1 times x minus 1 equals 6. And then, of course, we just FOIL this out. So x times x here is going to be x squared. All right, x times the negative 1 is going to be negative x. Negative 1 times x is going to be another negative x. Negative 1 times negative 1 is going to be a positive 1 is equal to 6. So it's going to be x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 6. Move the terms over. X squared minus 2x, 1 minus 6 here is going to be a negative 5 is equal to 0. So I'm subtracting 6 from both sides. Now again, this is your A, this is your B, and this here is your C. So you could plug into the quadratic formula from here. And of course, if you had, say, 4x squared minus 5x equals 0, you could say it's 4x squared minus 5x plus 0 equals 0. So stick this constant in at the end. You're allowed to do that. And then this is your A, this is your B, and then this here is your C. So in each form, the goal is this really always, to be very clear. Make it into A x squared plus bx plus c. But do keep in mind that, for example, like this, it could be 0. This could be 0. Nevertheless, plug all of these into the quadratic formula. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.